A fire drill is a practice run for what to do in case of a real fire. It's designed to train everyone in a building or facility on how to safely and quickly evacuate. Fire drills are essential for several reasons. First, they prepare people for a real emergency, raise awareness of fire hazards, and reduce panic during an actual event. Aside from that, fire drills also help test fire alarms, communication systems, and evacuation routes to make sure they're working properly. So how do you conduct a fire drill procedure properly and effectively? Start by developing a fire evacuation plan. Identify the safest and quickest evacuation routes, emergency exits, and assembly points and educate workers about them. Next, assign key roles to designated personnel like fire wardens. These individuals are responsible for guiding occupants to exits, checking rooms, and ensuring no one is left behind during the drill. Schedule the fire drill and inform all employees. To keep everyone on their toes, consider running the drill at random times to simulate a real-life emergency. Now, conduct the fire drill. Trigger the fire alarm and initiate the evacuation. Observe how employees follow the pre-designated routes and emergency protocols. Once at the assembly point, conduct a roll call to ensure all personnel have evacuated. After the drill, gather feedback from participants and evaluate the performance of the fire evacuation plan. Monitor evacuation time, check for orderly behavior, evaluate communication systems, and test accessibility. Considering the observations and feedback gathered during the fire drill, review and update the evacuation plan accordingly. Here's a rundown of fire drill steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more safety tips and practices like this one.